Putting them to bat, what was the ideal score you were looking to?
150.
Talking about the bowling, you had a good start, but after the power play, Rohit and Sat took the innings forward. Were you happy with the score in the power play?
It's a game. Some days, you have all the plans, but I think Rohit and Sat will be better. I think Rohit's inning actually take it away. You should give the credit to Rohit actually.
You've known Rohit for a long time and he has been playing exceptionally. So did you have any special plans against him, having known him quite close?
No, as in, if you are looking at a team, we never look at an individual. So we had a plan for the whole team. Some days the plans click, sometimes the plan doesn't click. So today was a bad day, or maybe we call that we didn't bowl according to the plans. So credit to the opposing team because they played very well and they deserve to win the match.
It's been a mixed result so far for you, but overseas players, especially Ravi and Tanvir, has been in the center of it. So how are the Nepalese core acting along, and have they performed as you expected?
I was expecting Rijan, Kushal, they are doing exceptionally well. Except for today, I think Kushal has bowled the brilliant spells in his life, and he's done a brilliant captainship. First time he's captaining. I think we have to just wait and be patient because still there are a few more games to go. And the way Kushal is come back as a captain, I think we have to just wait for 2 more games and then wait because Rijan is doing very well exceptionally. Kushal is doing exceptionally very well. Some of the local boys have been doing really good. Even Amar has been bowled. That last over he did brilliant. He took 2 wickets in that match. So we just wait for those. That some of the days we will get bad days, but today maybe we didn't have hard days. So hopefully we have to wait and plan better maybe next time.
You spoke high about Kushal as well, but he's very young and captaining in the first round. How has Ravi and Tanvir and yourself? How has the environment been for him, and how is he growing up as a captain?
It's been brilliant. I think looking at Ravi and Sohail, they've been very helpful on the ground. Even when Sharath was there, he made very helpful use to the captain. So that was the whole idea. And the way Kushal is coming up as a leader, and that he's performing as well. So maybe today was not his day, and 2 drop catches. So hopefully, next time we can make it up. Muscle spasm. I cannot be a doctor and change his muscle spasm. So if he's not fit enough, I cannot take a risk because youngster, they have a long life in the front. So just for 1 game, I cannot risk his career. So that is being careful is such an important aspect for us also because there are a few more important games we are waiting for.
Rohit played a blinder of innings and with the ball as well. How do you see him as an opposite coach, and knowing him for a long time, how happy are you for his development, being the captain and all of the Cincinnati team and all?
So you know me well, and Rohit is my personal student, so he comes to me in India. So I think this is the right question, or what should I answer for you?
No, as an opposition coach, how do you see his innings and his development so far?
I think everybody saw the inning. Do I have to really answer that?
No, I'm just asking about
your point of view.
Perspective.
My perspective?
About his development since being the captain and till now.
I think he's number 1 on the scoreboard as a batsman. Right now, even having all the foreigners, before he came in today and today now, after this score, he's actually going to be ahead of all the others. He's number 1 run scorer in the whole of Nepal League. So I think it's a big thing for Nepal Premier League, where we spoke that a Nepal cricketer, if he's on the top of the list, I think there's nothing better than this.
Thank you, sir.